Alright, so guys, there's this stupid channel called Awesome Gaming Brothers. Okay, so recently I stumbled across this channel that I think really needs to be stopped. It's horrible. Okay, so look at this. Fleet of Facility roleplay. What is this? Okay, so by the way, his name is Awesome Gaming Brother. I'm sorry for not mentioning that earlier, but oh my goodness. It's horrible. Awful. Blah. What is this? Okay, I genuinely do not understand what's going on. Let's go to the beginning of the video for a little bit. What? I don't know what you mean. By the way, I hacked into his account so I can delete any videos. But first, I want to have some fun with it. That's why I'm recording right now. Yeah, I just hacked into his account. Feel a little bad, but you know, who cares? Oh my goodness, look at this. Let's play Roblox Season 4. No one cares. 42 minutes. 42 minutes. He spends 42 minutes beating a game. This is his longest video and it only has 33 views. Wow, what a loser. Ugh. Look, Roblox jailbreak robbing the train? No one cares. Whatever you rob. Robbery success. Ugh. No one cares about this. What? He hacked into my account? Okay, so this is a video I had to myself. But then he hacked, he must have hacked into, okay, I don't feel guilty anymore. If he's gonna hack into my account, then I'm gonna hack in, then I might as well just hack into his. I already hacked into his account, so I don't feel bad anymore. Because he already hacked into my account before. So, wow. Wow, this is me speaking. I know, Gaming is a bad YouTuber, but look. Look, it's teabagging the grass. But look, but still, we're not gonna talk about that we're not gonna talk about him for today. Cool Gamer the best to have. Who's Cool Gamer the best? You hack into so many people's accounts. It's horrible. Okay, a little kid like you shouldn't be playing Happy Wheels. What's wrong with you? How dare you? How to craft wooden tools in Minecraft? It's not 2011. It's 20. This video was posted in 2017. It's not 2011. What is wrong with you? Ugh. This video is so awful. I don't like it. Like, Roblox account 2018, The Great Yolk Tales, 5 views. Wow, this is so pathetic. Why? Why? You know what? I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna delete right now. What are you doing in my house? Why you little? I'm sorry guys, I'm going away for a while. Get out of my house! So I can't afford any dramatic, I cannot afford any dramatic, I cannot afford any dramatic glass shattering sounds, so that's why, yeah, just zoom out. Alright guys, so don't worry, I'm back. This guy hacked into my account for a little bit. So I'm very sorry for that, but oh, by the way, don't worry. So soon, by the way, soon I'm going to be uploading a video on my retired sort of account called Awesome Plus Bros. I'm sure some of you might have heard of it. I'm not popular, so, well, thanks guys anyways for watching, and I'll see you on. I'll have the video uploaded by the beginning of the week after next week, like by the beginning of next Monday, not this upcoming Monday, but the beginning of next Monday. So we have that to look forward to. Okay, guys. Well, I know I'm not popular. Oh, sorry guys, I just had to do something. Well, alright guys. So I'll be back, soon. I'll be back soon, don't worry. So I'm sorry for not uploading that much on this channel. I'm just not that into YouTube that much anymore. I mean, I am. I watch it a lot, but I just don't post myself that much. You know. I mean, I'm not obligating myself to make this video. I personally found this video fun to make. Obviously, like, honestly. So, yeah. Don't worry, guys. I'll still upload. I'm sorry for, you know, the absence for 3 months. It's kind of, you know. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. So, but don't worry. I promise you, we'll look forward to more videos, and I'll see you. Oh, I do have some videos on the. I'm just too lazy to upload them, but I will upload them. I will upload them. I promise. So, alright, guys. Because now that I'm back, I'm, like, into YouTube, I'm kind of like processing my mind into it. So now I'm sure I'll be uploading those. So, well, thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.